Hey guys, welcome back to this channel, and in this video I'm gonna show you how to get Pharaoh Lilia and Fredrion with the exchange the Lily's purple. So without any further ado, let's get started. First thing you need to do is you need to log in into your Mobile Legend account, and if you already log in, you can click the events menu over here, and then you can click the Neobis challenge in this menu, Neobis challenge, so you can click or claim the purple iris like this. Claim, and then go to reward exchange, and then over here you can choose the hero that you want to have, okay, or that you want to exchange with the purple iris, okay. In this events you can change with Lilia or Fredrion. So here it is. I hope this video was helpful for you guys. If you like the video, you can like, comment, and share, and also subscribe to this channel. You haven't done that already. And if you have a questions, you can leave it in the comment section down below. Thank you so much for watching, and bye.